This is my bulk rinse out station. It's just 4 plastic milk crates. This is a 5-gallon bucket I've got full of hot soapy water. Little catcher for my rubber bands. Garden hose. This is what we're going to rinse out today. These 7 shirts all at once. Take the whole rack. Right on the crate. Put this aside for now. And here we go. You don't want too hard of a stream. You don't want to blast things away. We're going to rinse until it's clear. Okay, now it's time to get the soapy water. I just wash them by hand for about 5 minutes initially. There's a little bit of Blue Dawn mixed in with this. And just swish them around and let them sit there for about 5 minutes. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I happen to have one of these black, I don't know what it is, but put that there. They're all rinsed off pretty well, so you can go ahead and squeeze them a little bit, get more excess dye out of it. I already had another 5-gallon soapy water. I will turn them inside out because I dyed these, or turn them right side out because I dyed them inside out. Okay, got all 7 shirts in here for the second wash. And I just gently wash them by hand, just move them around for about 30 seconds. And I just let them soak there for about 15 minutes and we'll be back again. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. I have another bucket ready to go of soapy water. And we're just going to rinse, repeat. I like to rinse all the soap off before I squeeze them. I've never had an issue of back staining using this method of rinse and hand wash. And I've done thousands of shirts this way. Okay, ready for batch 3 of hot soapy water. I'll show you a reveal as we go. Double heart. Okay, these have been soaking for about 45 minutes. And the water's still soapy and it's not real dark, so I'm gonna say this is good enough. We'll give them a really good rinse out. And like I said, I'm gonna let them air dry and then take them to the laundromat. I hope this has helped a couple people out there, maybe. If it did, please click like and share and subscribe to my channel. High on Tie-Dye.